Okay, now they ask this recurring decimal to make as fraction, right? So this is a simple stuff. So I will show you that way. But the method is very simple. You need to make this as x. Let me get this as x. Then what we need to do now, here you can see 1 and 9 repeat, recurring decimal, 1 and 9 recurring. But for another number, right, here we have another digit. When you have this type of situation, check how many digit you have before this recurring part, repeating part. What are the how many numbers you have here? Just one number, right? That means 4, only one. So first of all, this after you get has x, this one, multiply both side by if I think this has equation 1 multiplied by 10, right? Because here one digit you have before the recurring part, or if you got here two terms before the recurring part, for example 0.2419 recurring, 1 and 9 recurring, here 2 digit, no, then you need to multiply by 100. That's the way. So I will multiply by this first equation by 10. So here will be x into 10, it will be 10x, and here will be, when I multiply by 10, it will be 4. You know how to multiply by 10. This decimal point bring to right side 1, only 1, because 10 mean 1 and 0, so 1 0, that means this decimal point move to here, that means 4.19. you can make like this. This I will name as equation 2 or equation 1. It's okay. Now then after, you need to multiply this one by this second equation by what the how many digit recurring here. Now 1 and 9 recurring, that means 2 digit, no, 1 and 9 recurring, 2 digit, 1 and 9. So this equation 2 I will multiply by 100, right, because it has 2 digit recurring. So if I multiply this one by 100, it will be 10x into 100 mean 1000x, right, 1000x. If here I multiply, this 2 digit will come to here, because if I multiply by 100 mean 20, that means 2 digit here we have, no, this digit will come to here, then here, that means this decimal point will come to here and then here, because here 2 zeros, you need to move twice, so it will be 419. But we know 1 and 9, here again 1 and 9, so that's why I can put here 1 and 9, right? We know these two recurring, no, so we have any amount you can put 1 and 9 if you need. Okay, now this is the equation 3. Now what we need to do, very simple, from equation 3 subtract equation 2, right? So sorry, here 1000x, sorry, I didn't write it here, 1000x, because 10x into 100, right, 10x into 100, it will be 1000x. Here should be 1000x. By 1000x, subtract what the 10x minus 10x, from the left side, from this left side subtract this left side, and then same way here, from this left side of the third equation subtract the left side of the second equation. That means here 400 from 419.19 subtract 4.19, right? So what the answer here will be 990x, and here when you subtract, it will be what the 0, because 9 minus 9 is 0, 1 minus 1 0, and 9 minus 4 5, and here nothing to subtract, so 415, right? 990 here, sorry, here 1000 minus 10 mean 1000x minus 10x mean 990x. Okay, now both side divide by 990, right, get to x value. So here cut, here will be, okay, this is our answer, 415 over 990. So someone can simplify this one. If you need, you can divide this both by 5 like that. You divide this both by 5, your answer will be here, how many 5 are there? 415, it will be 83, and here how many 5 are there in 5 are there in 990? It will be 198. So like this you can keep the answer as simple form.